My name is Gracie Stammers and I'm the Environmental and Sustainability Assistant at Optima Products Limited. Optima Products Limited is a design and manufacturing facility specialising in office, partitioning and glazed doors and the adaptable meeting room. As an organisation, we face the challenge of identifying external biodiversity hotspots, assessing the significant risks within our wider supply chain. Through Tunley Environmental's advice and support on biodiversity journey, we hope to analyse mechanisms to maximise our ecological potential through the use of scientific research.
So Tunley Environmental carried out a biodiversity footprint of a supply chain report and analysis for Optima Products Limited. So in order to conduct the biodiversity footprint of a supply chain analysis and report for Optima, we use the innovative tool known as the Biodiversity Input-Output for supply chain and operation evaluation in order to conduct the comprehensive analysis and quantify the biodiversity impact from Optima's supply chain. Overall, Optima's biodiversity footprint of the identified supply chain demonstrates 4 key biodiversity impact hotspots. So the overall takeaway from the Supply Chain Biodiversity Footprint report from Tunley Environmental is that we will dive deeper into the biodiversity footprint and impact of a supply chain to offer more insight on how each commodity identified in the supply chain contributes to these ecological impacts, and we further aim to provide recommendations to aid in mitigating these impacts in the future.
Through conducting the Supply Chain Biodiversity Footprint report, Optima have gained a more in-depth understanding of the detrimental biodiversity and habitat loss. The importance of reducing our biodiversity footprint within supply chains cannot be overstated, facilitating businesses to recognise the distinguished value of biodiversity and instigate outcomes of the comprehensive analysis into daily operational practice. Through conducting this scientific research, we have analysed biodiversity hotspots and identified those key suppliers to work with to enable us to improve on our biodiversity, and links back to our core company values of conserving nature and an industrial landscape. The expertise of Tunley Environmental Limited has been invaluable, and I would not hesitate to recommend others to follow in Optima's footsteps.